To get rid of gnats, first locate the source of the gnats. Gnats tend to lay eggs in drain pipes. If they're coming from the sink, pour boiling water down the drain. If that doesn't work, try making a gnat trap. Find a used can or jar and fill it about halfway with apple cider vinegar. Then, mix in a drop of dish soap to break the surface tension. Seal the jar and poke small holes in the covering. That way, any gnats that don't drown in the vinegar can't escape. If you don't have apple cider vinegar on hand, substitute it with any type of vinegar, wine, or beer. Gnats are also attracted to overripe food, so you can make an even simpler trap by mashing a banana into the jar instead. Leave the trap in an area you've seen gnats buzzing about, such as your kitchen or dining room. To prevent gnats, make sure you tidy your kitchen, cover your garbage, and eliminate damp spots in your home.